Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add team members in your Zemers account. First, you need to go to Settings, and here at the Settings, you have the Team option. Press it, and you will arrive at this place. Now, in this place, you can press over here to invite a new member, add their email, make sure you add their role, and send invite. They will get an email from Zemers.com that they will have to accept if they want to become your member. And once you have members, you will see them here with all their roles, and this is going to be the invitation step. Now, what each role can do, press here, and you can see what each role can do and cannot do. The viewer can view everything, but they cannot edit anything. The editor can edit blog, apps, marketing, and upload media, but they cannot edit products or clients. They cannot edit the team. They cannot delete media. They cannot access settings, and so on. The manager can edit products and clients. They can edit blog, apps, and marketing. They can upload media, but they cannot delete media. They cannot edit payouts. They cannot access settings or storefront design or manage team. The admin has access to pretty much everything instead of they cannot edit payout settings like Stripe account and build a link for the Zemers, and then cannot change the store handle. This is only for the super admin, for the owner. You are the owner creator to this team, and if you want to transfer ownership, you can do that later. And this is how you can add multiple members that they can easily manage your dashboard the way you want. I hope you enjoy.